Hello, English learners. Welcome back to day 2 of our incredible 20-day shadowing challenge from Shadowing English Learners channel. I'm Sarah, and I'm absolutely thrilled you're here with me again. You know what? You came back. That tells me something amazing about you. You're serious about improving your English. Yesterday, we talked about daily routines. And today we're going to explore something really fun, your hobbies and the things you love to do. I have to tell you, talking about hobbies is one of my favorite conversation topics because it's when people really light up. When we talk about what we love, our voices become more passionate, more natural. And that's exactly what's going to happen to your English today. So whether you love reading, cooking, playing sports, or watching movies, today is your day to shine. Get ready to speak with passion about the things that make your heart happy. Remember, yesterday how we talked about shadowing. Today, we're going to take it up just a little bit. You're stronger now, so we can be a little more adventurous. When you shadow today, I want you to think about your own hobbies while you're speaking. If I say, I love reading books, and you love reading too, put some real feeling into those words. If I say I enjoy cooking, and you hate cooking, that's okay too. Just practice the pronunciation and rhythm. Here's something beautiful that's happening to your brain right now. Every time you shadow, you're building stronger pathways for English. Your mouth is learning the shape of English words. Your ear is learning the music of English sentences. Don't worry about perfection. Yesterday you were brave, today be even braver. Let your personality shine through your English. All right, here's how we'll do day 2. Same system as yesterday, but I'm going to add something new. After some sentences, I'll ask you a quick question about your own hobbies. Just answer out loud, even if it's just one word. This will help you connect the practice to your real life. Remember to speak out loud, follow the subtitles, and pay attention to those highlighted words. They're your friends, and that promise you made me yesterday? Keep it today, too. Don't give up on yourself. You're building something beautiful here. Ready? Let's talk about what makes you happy. Here we go. Let's discover what you love together. Set 1. Simple hobby sentences. Sentence 1. I love reading books in my free time. I love reading books in my free time. I love reading books in my free time. Do you like reading? Just say yes or no out loud. Sentence 2. I enjoy listening to music every day. I enjoy listening to music every day. I enjoy listening to music every day. Sentence 3. I like watching movies on weekends. I like watching movies on weekends. I like watching movies on weekends. Great job. You're speaking so clearly. Sentence 4. I love cooking delicious food for friends. I love cooking delicious food for friends. I love cooking delicious food for friends. What's your favorite food to cook? Just say it. Sentence 5. I enjoy playing sports with my family. I enjoy playing sports with my family. I enjoy playing sports with my family. Sentence 6. I like taking photos of beautiful places. I like taking photos of beautiful places. I like taking photos of beautiful places. Sentence 7. I love drawing and painting pictures. I love drawing and painting pictures. I love drawing and painting pictures. You're doing wonderfully. Keep that energy up. Sentence 8. I enjoy dancing to my favorite songs. I enjoy dancing to my favorite songs. I enjoy dancing to my favorite songs. Sentence 9. I like playing video games after work. I like playing video games after work. I like playing video games after work. Sentence 10. I love spending time in my garden. I love spending time in my garden. I love spending time in my garden. Fantastic. Set 1 is done. You're getting more confident. I can hear it in your voice. Set 2. Longer. Hobby sentences. Now let's add more details to our hobby sentences. You're ready for this. Sentence 11. I really enjoy reading mystery novels before going to bed. I really enjoy reading mystery novels before going to bed. I really enjoy reading mystery novels before going to bed. Sentence 12. I love listening to jazz music while I'm working. I love listening to jazz music while I'm working. I love listening to jazz music while I'm working. What kind of music do you like? Rock? Pop? Classical? Sentence 13. I enjoy watching comedy movies that make me laugh out loud. I enjoy watching comedy movies that make me laugh out loud. I enjoy watching comedy movies that make me laugh out loud. Sentence 14. I love trying new recipes from different countries around the world. I love trying new recipes from different countries around the world. I love trying new recipes from different countries around the world. Sentence 15. I enjoy playing tennis with my friends every Saturday morning. I enjoy playing tennis with my friends every Saturday morning. I enjoy playing tennis with my friends every Saturday morning. You're speaking with such natural rhythm now. Sentence 16. I like taking nature photos during my weekend hiking trips. I like taking nature photos during my weekend hiking trips. I like taking nature photos during my weekend hiking trips. Sentence 17. I love painting landscapes with watercolors in my free time. I love painting landscapes with watercolors in my free time. I love painting landscapes with watercolors in my free time. Sentence 18. I enjoy learning new dance moves by watching online tutorials. I enjoy learning new dance moves by watching online tutorials. I enjoy learning new dance moves by watching online tutorials. Sentence 19. I like playing puzzle games that challenge my mind. I like playing puzzle games that challenge my mind. I like playing puzzle games that challenge my mind. Sentence 20. I love growing vegetables and flowers in my small garden. I love growing vegetables and flowers in my small garden. I love growing vegetables and flowers in my small garden. Excellent. You're halfway through day 2. Your pronunciation is getting smoother. Set 3. Inspirational hobby sentences. This final set is about how hobbies make us feel. Speak these with real emotion. Sentence 21. My hobbies bring joy and happiness into my everyday life. My hobbies bring joy and happiness into my everyday life. My hobbies bring joy and happiness into my everyday life. Sentence 22. I discover new things about myself through my favorite activities. I discover new things about myself through my favorite activities. I discover new things about myself through my favorite activities. Sentence 23. My hobbies help me relax and forget about daily stress. My hobbies help me relax and forget about daily stress. My hobbies help me relax and forget about daily stress. Feel the truth in these words. Sentence 24. I meet wonderful people who share my interests and passions. I meet wonderful people who share my interests and passions. I meet wonderful people who share my interests and passions. Sentence 25. My hobbies teach me patience, creativity, and new skills. My hobbies teach me patience, creativity, and new skills. My hobbies teach me patience, creativity, and new skills. What skill has a hobby taught you? Just think about it. Sentence 26. I make time for my hobbies because they make me happy. I make time for my hobbies because they make me happy. I make time for my hobbies because they make me happy. Sentence 27. My favorite activities give me energy and inspiration for life. My favorite activities give me energy and inspiration for life. My favorite activities give me energy and inspiration for life. You're speaking with such confidence now. Sentence 28. I share my hobbies with others and enjoy learning from them too. I share my hobbies with others and enjoy learning from them too. I share my hobbies with others and enjoy learning from them too. Sentence 29. My hobbies remind me that life should be fun and meaningful. My hobbies remind me that life should be fun and meaningful. My hobbies remind me that life should be fun and meaningful. Sentence 30. I am grateful for the hobbies that bring color to my world. I am grateful for the hobbies that bring color to my world. I am grateful for the hobbies that bring color to my world. Wow! Day 2 is complete and you were absolutely amazing. Did you notice something different today? You spoke about hobbies, things that make people passionate, and I could hear more emotion, more personality in your voice. That's exactly what we want. English isn't just about grammar and vocabulary. It's about expressing who you are, what you love, what makes you excited. Today, you did exactly that. You've now completed 60 sentences over 2 days. 60 sentences. Your mouth is getting more comfortable with English sounds. Your confidence is growing. And most importantly, you're showing up consistently. Tomorrow is day 3, and we're going to talk about family and relationships, another topic that brings out the best in people's voices. I know you're going to love it. Before you go, I want you to think about one hobby that makes you really happy. Hold that feeling, that joy, that passion. That's the energy I want you to bring to your English every single day. You're doing incredible work. See you tomorrow for day 3. Keep believing in yourself. Great job today, English learners.